Tip number 2, making your baby sleep. Swaddle. Place your wrap on the floor. Make a triangle. Put your baby's head over the wrap with his hands down his body. Lift the right corner of the wrap and place it gently under his body. Then lift the bottom corner of the wrap over his left shoulder and again tuck it away under his body. The last tip is turn the left corner over his entire body and make sure the bottom is gently tucked away under his body weight. This is how I use my wrap, with a slight variation, and this is an example used in the studio. I always place their hands down if I don't want them to scratch their face or be unsettled by the hands. I wrap their bottom and the legs towards their tummy, and this is not a problem in newborn because they are very flexible. I make sure that they feel comfortable and then they fall asleep easier. If you like this video, please like and share, and follow me for more videos and let me know what you would like me to do next. I'm Victoria from Lifetime Story Photography. See you next time.